All right. Tunnel is a block here. I jump up. I fake out the ghost. Because it's a ghost in there, right? Yep. Fake out the ghost, and I just go down. Fuck! Forgot that. Alright, so we made it back to part 2. We made it back to map 2, so we're good. We're good now. We're good now. Okay. The third one got spikes. The third one got spikes. The third one got spikes, so we can't touch the third one. And then we just run down, boom, boom, boom. Follow them. They gonna walk off the edge. Just like that. Jump! Bro, you can't make this game up, bro. I want to know who made this game. Honestly, I really do want to know who made this game. Nah, I don't want to. I'm not gonna do nothing to him. I'm not gonna do nothing to him. I just want y'all to find me that person. Find me the person that made the game. Alright, here we go. Alright, boom. There's something in that tunnel. That's why I jumped back, bro. I'm not. No. There's something in that tunnel. That's why I jumped back like that. All of a sudden. Oh my god, bro. Of course. Of course! Follow him, follow him, follow him. Jump! Jump, jump! Jump, jump! Come on, baby! Alright, checkpoint, checkpoint. Alright, it's a checkpoint. This is gonna fall. It's gonna fall. I gotta like run forward and run back really, or run back and run forward really quickly. Like that. What? That did not touch me, bro. That did not touch me. Somebody clip that. Jump! Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Lock in. Lock in, lock in. Lock in. Ultra Instinct, baby. Come on. Come on. Bro, I don't know. I don't know. Oh, fuck. That block was not there. I done made this jump like 4 times now. That block was not there. Come on, bro. I'm anticipating. I'm anticipating the move. I need to slow down. Bro, a little part of me dies, bro. A little part of me dies. Every single time. Fuck! It's like I'm fat fingering the freaking keyboard, dog. Come on, come on, come on. I just did it twice in a row. Now, all of a sudden, I can't do it once. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I don't know. I don't know, bro. There we go. There we go. All right. Now I just got to hit the box so the mushroom can make him bigger and destroy the floor. So, boom, boom. Now. That's the one. That's the one. Ooh, okay. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. I don't know how I'm going to clear that. I don't know how I'm going to clear that. Alright, I got to jump straight over. I have to jump straight over. Wish me luck. Boom, 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 boom. Go! Oh! No! It sped up! It sped up! Bro, they need to put a checkpoint over there. No, no, no. They need to put a checkpoint over there. Because this is ridiculous. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. That's the one. Ooh. Okay, I did it twice in a row now. I did it twice in a row now. No! Bro, I can't make that jump, bro. Alright. I just gotta go for it now. It's like, it's not gonna slow down for me. I just gotta go for it now. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1, go! Say, y'all ever just be eating your cherry lip balm? What? No, bro. Nobody's just out here eating cherry lip balm. So, you ever just eat your cherry lip balm? Come on. Come. Alright. I just cleared it twice. I just cleared it twice in a row. No problem, bro. Lock in. Come on, come on, come on. Don't let him stop you. Don't let him stop you. No matter what you do, don't let him break you. Alright. Boom. Now. That's the one. That's the one. Ah, ah, ah. So, I just ate a Popeye spicy chicken sandwich with some grape soda. Well, ad timing. Bro, I ain't gonna cap. You just had a spicy chicken sandwich with grape soda. Usual suspect. I'm just saying. Usual suspect. Alright, here we go. I just gotta make it over. That's it. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Go. No! Fuck! Bro, if I keep restarting, bro. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I gotta get past second. Bro, I gotta get past this part, bro. I can't not get past this part. Come, bro, I'm getting better. I'm getting better. I'm mastering Ultra Instinct. I'm mastering Ultra Instinct, bro. I'm him! Come on, come on, come on. Right there. Boom! Boom! Get your fat ass on, nigga. Get your fat ass on, nigga. Boom. Dun, 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 dun. I gotta wait for the question mark to go away. Once the question mark goes away, then I can jump up there, and now I got more space to run and jump and clear that right there. Boom, bum, 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 bum. All right, come on, get lower again, get lower again. Right there. Let's go. Let's go. All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. No! Ah! Fuck! Come on, bro. Come on, come on, come on, come on. There we go. Bro, tell me I'm not getting better, though. Tell me I'm not getting better, though. All right, come on. Lock in. Lock in. No! I'm sorry if you have headphones on. I'm so sorry if you have headphones on. Come on, bro. Fuck! Come on, bro. Lock in, bro. Said now, me personally, I would have won already. That's just me, though. You're lying. You're a liar. Do you lie to your mom with that mouth? Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Ah! Please, bro. Said, trust me, bro. I'm that guy. Then come over here. Then come over here and beat the game. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. I just cleared it like 5 times. I just cleared it like 5 times. I know I could do it. Please, level. I need this. Come on, bro. Come on. I can't give up. I can't. It's not in me, bro. Bro, okay, that was just all me. Stop. Come on, bro. Bro, hey, pause, bro. It's not in me. Bro, don't do it. Oh my God, bro. It's Cat Mario. Ah! Okay, I promise you, $20. $20. I'll do it right now. Okay, $20 right now. All right, $20 right. $20 right now, bro. $20 right now. I'll beat it right now. All right, bro. All right, bro. Hey, we only 60 in. Fuck. Oh, okay, bro. A little part of me is dying. Holy. What is wrong with me? What is wrong with me? Oh! No! There, let's go! Okay. Okay, this is it. This is it. Boom! Boom! Get your fat ass on! Get your fat ass on! Huh! Let's go! Oh, don't touch that, don't touch that! I can't touch the check mark. If I touch the check mark, it speeds up the little fireball joints. It fits the little fire joints that's coming out. That's coming out like that, like squirting and shit. I can't touch that. Alright. I gotta jump clean over. Just like that! Just like that! Ah! Fuck! Why did I stand there? Why did I stand there? Ooh. No! Okay. Just go to sleep. Fuck! I wasn't paying attention, bro. No. This is it, bro. This is it. If I lose this one, we're gonna switch the game. I lied! Fuck! It's fast ass keyboard! Okay. Oh my God. Bro! Please! I need this! Let's go! Okay. Okay. Huh! Get your fat ass on! Oh, slow down, slow down, slow down. Oh, slow down, girl. Easy, white chocolate, easy. Huh! Alright. Alright. Let's go. Alright. No, this is it. This is it, bro. This is it. This is it. We gonna beat it right now. We gonna beat it right. I'm gonna beat the shit out of this. I'm gonna beat the fuck out of this. I'm gonna beat it. I'm gonna beat it. Alright, boom. I'm trying to time it. Hold on. Give me a second.